Despite the current COVID-19 situation, we are excited to bring you the 5th Annual Scientific Meeting of the Saudi Interventional Radiology Society, SIRS, held on 19th and 20th November 2021. Aiming for a more diverse audience, we decided to go hybrid format, a combination of on-site and virtual conference platforms. The whole program will be broadcast live from the Crown Plaza RDC Hotel and Convention Center, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. On-site, participation will benefit most from the high level of interaction and will get the opportunity to chat in person with the speakers, chairpersons, and other attendees. Remote participation offers participants to attend through the virtual platform. As part of the hybrid registration, delegates will have access to our virtual platform. Since the beginning of the pandemic, the field of interventional radiology has experienced updates and a surprising shift of evidence and practice, which inspired us to consolidate our program and focus on updates and debates. We promise to dazzle you with the dynamics of the debates and the conference. To get started, kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy process of virtual platform sign-in. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you've forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button, and you'll receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Lobby. Once you have signed in, you'll be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You'll find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session. And down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin your schedule and keep you notified. Exhibit Hall. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box. And you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. Here in the Information Desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. As a token to our loyal members of the Society, this year's conference will be free and exclusive to members. We encourage you to join our Society and enjoy this year's annual meeting, in addition to many IR Club meetings and more, for SR205 a year, $55. Finally, do not forget to become a SIRS member to enjoy SIRS 2021 updates and debates. We look forward to seeing you physically and virtually.